My name is Marie and I'm from Wexford in Ireland, but I live in London. I had a recommendation from a gentleman that I didn't really know, but he had no questions whatsoever about recommendation. Dr. Popovich will probably tell you that, but it's almost everything. I've had crowns, fillings, posts, bridges. I've had 3 implants, and fantastic. I just have never met a team like this practice. I would say in a few words, professional, perfection, and so friendly and so nice, really.